Which NoSQL database is widely used? MongoDB. Okay, one more point. Who is the founder of Microsoft? You said Satyanarayana. Okay. Actually, he's in first year. Okay. Okay. CSS stands for Cascading Stack. Okay. One point. None. Okay. Then U stands for API. Okay. The next question. DVD stands for DVD. Monday. Vinny, a big round of applause for him, please. Second winner. Good one. Down to them.
Hi everyone, myself Sharon. I'm the student of BCA ESMS third year, and we celebrated IBM Day 2025 Technovate here at Kingston. And here in a competition, I placed second in a quiz competition that's called MindSpot. And I'm very grateful for the opportunity to KEI and IBM both. Thanks KEI, thanks IBM. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Monica, a third year BCA student at Kingston Educational Institute. I am very thrilled to participate in the Technovate 2025. Through this event with the IBM experts, we got to learn various technologies like generative AI, Watson, data visualization, and also data science. I am very thankful to Kingston Educational Institute for giving me this opportunity and all the very big support and also to the IBM.
Hi, I'm Vidhi Pandey from BCA second year in Kingston Educational Institute. Today we celebrated IBM Day in our campus. I was second runner-up in MindSpot quiz, where I was very happy for getting goodies from them. I am very grateful for IBM and KEI for giving us the opportunity to learn from the industry experts. Thank you.
Since 2 days, the faculties and members of IBM work very hard for us, and the way they make us understand each and every concept are very good. And lastly, today's quiz was too good and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you.